Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Begin by cleaning the bat handle with a dry cloth and removing all old tape and residue. A clean surface ensures the Kraken grip adheres properly. Inspect the knob and handle for burrs and sand lightly if needed. Wipe again. Unroll the Kraken grip and orient it so the tapered end faces the blade and the logo sits centered on the back of the handle. Measure and cut the grip to leave 3.5 inches of overlap for knob coverage and a smooth final wrap. Start wrapping the Kraken grip from the top of the handle toward the knob, pulling to apply slight tension, enough to stretch but not tear. Consistent tension creates an even feel. Overlap each revolution by about 25% so the foam layers cushion uniformly and prevent gaps or bulges. Keep the seam aligned toward your backhand so the primary surface is smooth for your grip. Avoid twists by keeping the grip flat against the handle and guiding with your thumb, checking alignment every 2 wraps. When you reach the knob, trim excess grip so the end sits flush with the knob edge and leaves a clean line. Do not leave long tails that can peel. Secure the end with finishing tape, wrapping several turns to lock the grip and check for any unwanted movement. Test the hold by swinging gently. Customize feel by adding a 1/8-inch underwrap for a softer hand or apply oval tape where you want extra thickness. Finalize by wiping the grip and testing stance, ensuring comfort and control before play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.